Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride.
All the way across. Glad to see so many of you, but we gotta go.
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. Combat personnel, this is your final call to order. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just woke to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Open a better hyperdrive. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive nature, I need that on a heavy.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9 Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, the engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Are you sure? Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reload. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, 9 Num? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas?
Then wipe the navicomputer.
Asha,
I don't want them finding anything.
Danita.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little Twig, get out there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, this vessel is now under the order. You will disembark and proceed down to the corridor to your right for processing and interrogation. Now get out. The rest of the transports will go a long way around. Wait for everyone else to depart.
Is this the ride?
How many here? 3, go left. Where's your, oh, there he is. 2, go right.
Man, that was so cool.
How many? Two, and two. Follow a single line. There we go.
It's 2 and 1.
Very well, Lieutenant. Are you standing on my lights? Both of you standing on my lights. Standing all over my lights. I hope you... No, don't stand on the lights. Because if you break it, that's what you pay for. 5,000 credits. For each light.
How many?
5,000
Two?
credits.
What are we told to stand on the lights?
How many?
Yeah, I thought you told me that.
Appointing you the leader of your group. You see
The 6.
Well, this is a good job. You could be a dick and get away with it.
Alright.
How many? Oh, we're moving. Perfect. Follow on, single file. Next to you, go head right.
You're my 2 and 1? Okay, 2 on silver, 1 on orange.
Alright, sympathizers. Face me, pay attention. I put you on colors. Orange, silver, red, blue. Look down, memorize the one you're standing on. It's vital for your interrogation. Once that cell door opens, you'll find matching colors on the floor of the cell. You'll go in, stand on the color I just assigned you. Very simple. I'd be embarrassed for you if you couldn't do it. Now at this time, if there's a bag on your shoulders, back, or waist, take it off. Hold on to it with your hands in front of you.
Get out, bro. Put it in your hand, bro.
No.
I have a spot?
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoner.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies.
And don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I'm so down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Tough target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came...
Crazy.